Are all voters really treated equally in the presidential election? With the electoral colleges as it is now, many states and the voters within them are marginalized in this winner-take-all system. This is why we would like to propose the National Popular Vote Interstate Compact. This system is an agreement among states to award their electoral votes to the candidate who wins nationwide popular vote, regardless of who won the popular vote within their specific state.
The Electoral College is responsible for or heavily contributing to almost every single issue with our country's politicians and our country's democracy. If a candidate doesn't win that district, all of the votes for that candidate are completely thrown out. So advocates of that candidate will just not vote. This also means politicians aren't forced to innovate or appeal to a diverse group, and this can lead to political arms races rather than political innovations from our government. Over 6 in 10 Americans would like the way the president is elected to be changed. The corruption it causes and disapproval from voters is the biggest reason why we are tailing other countries in both voter turnout and voter satisfaction. The National Popular Vote Compact would be the first and most important step in fixing these issues. A democracy should represent people and not a bureaucratic inefficiency.
The reason why we should switch to this voting method is because currently candidates in elections are often only focusing on a small number of swing states. This happens because the winner-take-all method in our states for the Electoral College forces candidates to target small states only. This leads to people in states such as California or Florida feeling safe but neglected. They are stripped from the rallies and advertisements that other swing states are receiving. Every state in our nation deserves to be looked upon as equal, and the fact that so many states are being overlooked is not okay. With the National Popular Interstate Compact in place, all states will be treated as equal, and it will force candidates to broaden their attention across the entire nation.
The final reason why we should use this compact is because small states have disproportionate power. Each state, regardless of its population, gets a minimum of 3 electoral votes. This ruins the one person, one vote principle since it's not technically true. Even if a significant amount of people vote for one candidate, the popular candidate, it doesn't mean they will win. If the Electoral College decides against the candidate, then they can eliminate them even though the citizens chose that candidate. However, in the compact, the principle of one person, one vote would come alive again due to the fact that the nation would count each vote no matter the state size.
The Electoral College has been proven time and time again to be an unsatisfactory method for voting. The National Popular Vote Interstate Compact provides a solution to the problems of unequal representation in our voting system. Each state will get an equal amount of attention, and every person's vote will matter equally in our country. From big cities to small towns, we will all have an equal part in guiding our country's government to a place we can be proud of.